Yes. Welcome back to another episode of Negus Speaks. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Negusimara and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit the like button, make sure you share, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. You understand? It's so crazy, the stuff you stumble upon the internet, on the internet. It's pretty crazy. I just found this video here that we're going to go through and then we're going to dissect it and then you guys tell me what you think in the comments, because me personally, I'm finna go in. So let's get it right here real quick.
I'm fully convinced that a lot of y'all men don't like women. Y'all like little girls. Y'all walk around talking about, it's just I just have preferences. Talking about no saggy skin, no cellulite, no stretch marks. Titties need to be all the way up here. Okay, titties tiny and up here. No hair on your body at all. And she needs to be small, cute little voice. Yeah, what you're describing is a prepubescent girl, a child. The problem is y'all don't like women, y'all like children, and it's weird as hell. I'm fully convinced that a lot of...
Okay, ma'am, hogwash, straight trash, and I'm tired of the shaming tactics geared towards men. Every time men say they have a preference, okay, let's put her video aside first. Whenever men say we got preference, right? Okay, I only date light-skinned girls or I only date dark skin. No, let me not use the dark skin, because men dating light skin, that's the problem. You should only date dark skin, because if you go for light skin, that means that you are a colorist and white supremacy did a number on you, okay? Which can happen, definitely, because we already know how programming and brainwashing works. But it's like, if a man don't choose you, then you find ways to shame him into liking you, right? And that's not gonna work. First of all, she said men want women with small boobs, okay? Now, she's projecting. Let's look at her. Her boobs look saggy, right? I'm not disrespecting her at all. I'm just going based off what she said. Right? So I'm just evaluating her as well. So her boobs are not the stiffest boobs ever. Never. Okay. Now you got a little pudgy stomach there. Okay. So she say men want tiny breasts up here, stiff breasts up here, and no saggy skin. You look like your skin is flabby. So you make sure to point out those two things first. You think you're smart. It's not going to work. You don't shame people into liking you. How about you find people who like you and try to like them? How you think, what you think, that makes sense to me. How about you find people that find you attractive and you try to like them instead of trying to shame men into liking you? I see that with big girls too. It's like, and let's be real. It's only on the internet. This don't happen in real life. Let's just talk about it. It's only on the internet you see and hear bullcrap like that. She made it look like any man who is with a girl who is shorter and she's petite, she's fine. Oh, you like little girls. How did that even reach there? That he likes girls, little girls. Oh, is it because you have the flabby breasts and skin that you said men don't want? And she's a fine girl. Anybody, and most men, 90% of men would wife this girl right here based on her looks. Just based on your looks, she would definitely get wifed. But because maybe the guys who you want don't want you and don't want you because of those things that you have, flabby skin, you have a little gut, you have saggy boobs, you come on the internet trying to shame men for liking what they like. If nowadays, if a man don't want to be with a big girl, oh, you're fat phobic. What? Because I don't want to date a fat girl. And I'm not saying me, because them big girls, hey. I'm talking about the ones that were big, but them in proportion. When I talk about the big one, them were saggy and just look like a big blob. I'm talking about the big girls who actually have a nice body, but them big. You have a little pouch. I'll play with that. Understand? Put my finger in your navel. But that's a side point. You made it look like because the man don't want what you got to offer, that means he loves little children. Don't you see how sick that is? Because you are rejected, you try to make his selection seem like a problem? Okay. So you say if a man be with a girl who, has no hair on her pum pum, stiff tits, she's slim, no saggy skin, nothing like that. It's a little girl, right? He wants little children. Okay. Let's say tall men weren't your number one selection. Let's say women love the short men. Let's say they say, oh, I like a short guy, he's in shape, he's slim, he's this and that. Men wouldn't say, oh, you like prepubescent boys. First of all, that man is an adult. He's of age. Okay? Legal. Just like that girl, you are trying to shame that man for selecting, calling her a pubescent girl. She is legal. She is legal. Stop trying to shame people to like you. Me, I'm 5'6". I'm below the average height. You don't hear me screaming heightism because a girl want a guy who's 6'2" and I'm 5'6". You don't hear me screaming, oh, that's heightism. I would sound ridiculous. I would sound just as ridiculous as you now. Because you're ridiculous as hell, shorty. You come on the internet crying because of what men personally like. Let's say he did like only light skinned. Who gives a damn? Let's say he did only like dark skin. Who gives a damn? He like big girls. He like skinny girls. Who gives a damn? Can anybody tell you who to like? No. Nobody can tell you that. So some of y'all are so bitter and y'all hate men so much. Y'all come on the internet trying to shame men every day. And it's mostly on TikTok. TikTok is the most miserable app in the world. TikTok got groups of people fighting for bull crap. TikTok is so miserable. The people who are on TikTok who are just having a good vibe, big up on yourself. But for you who come on the app every day trying to debate, it's clear y'all ain't got nothing in your life going on, because I'm not finna go on the internet and try to fight nobody on what they like. You don't see nobody fighting gay men. Why don't you like the girls? Women are here. You should date women. Nobody's fighting gay men to date women. Why are you trying to fight men into dating you? I will never shame a girl to like me. Never. Listen, ladies, if you're big and guys don't like you because you're big, such is life. Live with it. Live with it. Shaming people into liking you will never work in your favor. Think about it. You are the one who made them like you. Shame tactics. They feel sorry for you. That's why they are with you, if shaming them works. Why would I go out of my way to try to get people's attention that don't want me? And you know what too? They curve so much men that actually want them. They curve so much men of substance. They complain about the dog shit that they get. They complain about them. Oh, men this, men that, blah, blah, blah. When in actuality, you have the dating market for women is easy. Y'all ain't got to do nothing but show up pretty. Men, we got to have a long list of things to get your attention and to even keep it too. So stop coming on the internet trying to shame men. You guys are ridiculous at this point. Ridiculous. You're projecting, miss. And you're a beautiful woman. So when you come on the internet crying and screaming like that, you just look pathetic. You just look like a grown-ass, whiny baby. Find somebody who like you and like them. What about that? As much as being with short men isn't the thing, I don't have a problem in the dating world. I don't. And this is before I even had platforms. This is before I had the TikTok, I had the YouTube, I had the Instagram, I had the Facebook. This is before all of that. Because you want to know why? I look good, I got charisma, and I got personality. That's what worked for me. So find what works for you and stop coming on here trying to shame men into liking you. It don't work like that. Oh, you like little girls. Shut up. Shut up. You guys are mad annoying now. You don't know, say, our nation and Imara nation. My name is Negusimara. Let me know what you think in the comments. See what I'm saying? I think this girl is a load of crap. I think what she said is a load of crap. And you're a whiny adult. You're a whiny adult. Oh, men don't like women. They like prepubescent girls. Man, shut up. Shut up. Number one, any beauty standard that's out there, y'all said it. You guys said it. So you could, oh, you want a girl who got no hair? Women are the ones who shave. Nobody told women to shave. Y'all shave. Stop trying to shame people into liking you. It's not going to work. You don't know, say one nation. Leave in the comments there. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You don't know, say I'm back on my bull crap. You understand? Content on top of content. No less than 3 videos a day. You hear me? No less than 3 a day. Hold me accountable to it. Up move.